Yeah, no, but I agree. Too much hand here. This horse needs to be clipped like ASAP.
Yeah, that was really good. It's just a matter of focus on those patterns every single minute, you know? And you're so capable of it. More and more.
This horse is 20.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
He looks good. Jeez. Are you taking Roy writing down whatever she's doing to take care of him, to take care of Simon? Well, that's good. If he doesn't need it, don't ever start. He's doing good, like, for being 20. Remember Dimitri?
Simon at 28.
Kayla, do you know that you only have one class today? Do you want to do the warm-up
I
break
thought
and try to school her a little bit? No, you just have to see, because if not, you're only going to have one class.
Is there a way that you could take her in a baby class? Could I just do that and then you do the warm-up and... Please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think I'll have you ride her during the warm-up period, though, just so she gets in.
Okay.
Because I'll have to ride fast.
Okay.